Pretty sharp. Dang it. Odenwolf survival knife, or for camping, for hiking. Let's see. Let's open it. Cool. There you go. Oh, bunch of cards. Taking care. And this stuff. Okay. Let's move to the some cleaning cloth. I chose the steel color. There's black, there's green, so I like the steel. This is made of 440. See that? 440C steel. It's a hard steel. It retains a sharpness. It comes with a belt attachment. Oh, what's this for? Anyway, this is how it looks. I don't know yet. Oh, you can off, on. Oh, there you go. For the belt attachment, and this is for the sharpening. I don't need to, it's still sharp, brand new. And that's really what the box contains. And we got some, oh, forgot. This is for starting a fire. I already tried a few. Let's see how we can. Let's test the sharpness. I have some. It is still sharp, pretty sharp. Oh, let's try. I have some paper here. Let's see if we can do this. There's a corrugated edge, and I'm not sure what this black is. Maybe phosphorus, I don't know, but we'll see if we can do it. Just rub it. See? Oh, let me make it. Oops, sorry. Oh, it's hard to see the spark. See that? Now, let's see if we can light this up. Wow, it's hard. try this, guys. Again. There you go.